In this video, we'll show you how to make a DJI Osmo Action 4 accept external timecode. Turn on all your Lockit devices. Choose one of them to be the master clock. Then, press and hold the green button to broadcast timecode and frame rate through ACN and you're set. Make sure all cameras and Lockits run on the same frame rate. For this camera model, you need an LTC-Out-USBC cable. Enter the main menu by swiping down on the home screen. Go to Settings, the hex nut icon, and scroll down to Timecode. Now the camera is waiting for an external timecode source. Connect the Lockit to the USB-C port of the Osmo Action. Now the camera accepts the external timecode source. You can remove the cable once the success message pops up. As the Osmo Action 4 does not follow external timecode, but will only single jam its own timecode generator.